Good evening, everybody. It is Bobby Two Pops Breaks on Tuesday. It is December 31st. We are breaking Gold Rush 16 by 20 NFL photos. 2-box break from a case we started the other night. Randomed up our last 4 boxes. 4 and 10's what we got. Pick a name, get 3 via random on the left. Already randomized the extra names and customers alphabetized. Everybody gave them all a chance to trade. Nothing going down this time, no. So here we go. Again, been a very solid product for us. Again, not every break has been gold, but the cases overall have been very nice to us. Wow, you gotta be kidding me. Well, guys, it was one of the last names picked, and Ants just keeps dominating the series, guys. Gonna be Derrick Henry. It was one of the last names he picked there. Bam. 15 Heisman on that, baby. Great pick of one of the current stars at the RB position. A little crazy how everybody thought he was going to break the 2,000-yard barrier this year, and it was Saquon who ended up doing it. One of the last names picked there, guys. God, Ant's dominating this thing, man. He's hitting freaking every other break or even every break lately, man. It's like crazy. I even missed out on that big Cowboys, but he can't, I hate to say it, can't complain too much there, but I think we pulled Henry one wilder time. I think Ragtag took him home. Alright, second in our 2-boxer. Bam, well, again, guys, one of the players from my era. Gonna be Doug Flutie. The Generals. Yeah, it's a Generals USFL photo, guys. Very cool. Beckett certification. It's a little hard to see, but you can see, yeah, that's a Generals, man. Trump's team. Man, the guy had a mega long career there, too. Not an appreciated quarterback, man, but he played with so many teams and so long, and that's not even including his record-breaking years in Canada. Alright, that's going to be a Drew hit, folks. Bam. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, 8 p.m. Central. Join us at Bobby Two Pops Breaks. Y'all have a good night. Alright, last 2 boxes, guys.